Do you ever wonder where all your money goes by the end of the month? What if you could easily save more without cutting back on everything you love? The truth is, it's possible to save more every month with just a few smart budgeting habits that don't require a major lifestyle change. By tracking your expenses, automating your savings, and making mindful decisions, you can start seeing your savings grow faster than ever before. In this video, I'll share 8 actionable budgeting tips that will not only help you save more, but also give you the financial freedom you've been looking for. So let's dive in. 1. Track every expense. One of the first things you can do to improve your savings is to start tracking every single expense. It might sound tedious, but trust me, it's the most powerful way to identify where your money is disappearing. Every time you make a purchase, whether it's a cup of coffee or a spontaneous snack, write it down or use an app to track it. The idea here is to uncover hidden opportunities to save, even in your smallest purchases. For example, you may not realize that those little purchases add up over time. By tracking everything, you'll get a clear picture of how much you really spend versus how much you could save. Once you see these numbers, it's easier to make changes. You might be surprised to discover you're spending more on things like subscriptions or daily luxuries than you thought. And that's where you can start cutting back. 2. Automate savings and transfers. Next, let's talk about making your savings automatic. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you get paid. This simple action ensures that you pay yourself first before you have a chance to spend the money on non-essential items. It's like setting it and forgetting it. You don't have to remember to transfer money because it's already happening in the background. This might feel like you're missing out on the money now, but trust me, you'll thank yourself when you see the savings build up month after month. Over time, this adds up without you even having to think about it. You'll find that automating this process not only helps you save, but also removes the temptation to spend that money on unnecessary purchases. The best part is that you can set the transfers to happen as soon as your paycheck hits, making it a smooth and effortless process. 3. Adopt the 50/30/20 budgeting rule. One budgeting method that has stood the test of time is the 50/30/20 rule, and for good reason. It's an incredibly simple way to ensure you're putting your money to work in the right areas. According to this rule, 50% of your income should go toward needs, like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% should be allocated for your wants, such as entertainment, dining out, and shopping. Finally, the remaining 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment. This balanced approach ensures that you're not cutting back too much in any one area and allows you to prioritize both your present and future. Sticking to this rule gives you the structure to know exactly where your money should go, and it makes budgeting a lot less overwhelming. In fact, adopting this rule can help you gain control over your finances, reduce stress, and ensure that you're saving enough for the future. 4. Master meal planning and prep. One of the easiest ways to save a substantial amount of money every month is by mastering meal planning and preparation. When you fail to plan, you often end up spending more on dining out or ordering takeout. And we all know how expensive that can get. But meal planning allows you to take control of your food budget by planning your meals ahead of time, making grocery lists and sticking to them. The best part? You'll likely end up eating healthier as well, because you're cooking at home rather than relying on fast food or unhealthy options. In addition to saving money, you can also take advantage of bulk buying and meal prepping. When you buy ingredients in larger quantities, you often get a better deal. And having meals prepared in advance means you won't be tempted to grab fast food when you're hungry or short on time. This simple habit can save you hundreds of dollars every month and improve your health at the same time. 5. Cancel and use subscriptions. It's easy to forget about all the subscriptions we sign up for, but when you take a moment to review your bank statements, you might be shocked by how many you're still paying for. Canceling and use subscriptions is an easy win when it comes to cutting costs. Think about all the streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Each month, those charges add up, and yet you're not getting any value out of them. By taking the time to audit your subscriptions, you can eliminate the ones you're no longer using, which can free up a significant amount of money each month. It's amazing how much you can save by canceling services you forgot about or no longer need. After all, why pay for something you're not using? This strategy is one of the simplest ways to boost your savings and minimize wasteful spending. 6. Use high-yield savings accounts. Are you looking for a simple way to make your savings grow faster? If so, it's time to consider high-yield savings accounts. Traditional savings accounts offer pitiful interest rates, meaning your money barely grows over time. But high-yield savings accounts provide a much higher interest rate, making your money work harder for you. It's like giving your savings a boost with every deposit you make, allowing your balance to grow steadily without any extra effort on your part. By switching your savings from a regular account to a high-yield account, you will start seeing a significantly higher return on your money. This can make a huge difference over the long term. Many online banks offer these accounts with little to no fees, making them an easy option to consider. With minimal effort, you can ensure your savings are earning the best possible return. The beauty of high-yield savings accounts is that they are completely passive. You don't have to actively manage your funds to reap the rewards. This means that your money is guaranteed to grow faster, with no risk involved. If you're serious about growing your savings, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. It's a low-effort, high-reward strategy that can benefit anyone looking to secure their financial future. 7. Buy generic and secondhand. When it comes to shopping, buying generic or secondhand can save you a lot more than you realize. We often get caught up in the idea that we need to buy the most expensive or name brand items. But in reality, store brand products often provide the same quality at a fraction of the price. Whether it's groceries, cleaning supplies, or even clothes, switching to generic brands can drastically reduce your spending. In addition, buying secondhand items, especially furniture or clothing, can be a goldmine. There's no shame in buying used. Often, these items are in great condition and cost a fraction of what you'd pay for something new. By making small shifts in your shopping habits, you can save a significant amount of money each month without compromising on quality. 8. Implement the 30-day rule. Finally, let's talk about the 30-day rule, one of the best ways to fight impulse spending. We've all been there, standing in front of the store shelf or scrolling online, seeing something we just have to have. But before you pull out your wallet, try this. Give yourself 30 days to think about the purchase. This cooling off period will help you evaluate if it's truly something you need or if it's just an impulsive desire. More often than not, you'll realize that the item wasn't as essential as you thought. By implementing the 30-day rule, you can curb unnecessary spending and prevent buyer's remorse. It's a simple yet powerful technique that helps you make more mindful and intentional purchases, ultimately saving you money in the long run. And that's a wrap. By following these 8 smart budgeting tips, you can start saving more every month and build a better financial future for yourself. Remember, the key is consistency and making small, manageable changes. Stick to these strategies, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your savings grow. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Don't miss out on future videos that will help you take control of your finances and live a life of financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.